already at the video, and today I'm going to be talking about a new product which I have received, which is the first hand access which I have received before anybody else. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer, and this is what the bottle looks like. And it is a really nice glowy texture, and what it does is that it basically has vitamins B, C and E. And it is it gives you the daily dose of vitamins that you need for your skin, and specifically it is really good when you're prepping your skin for makeup, because this gives you that dewy finish, it gives you that radiant look. It actually helps the makeup to blend in beautifully, and it gives you a really nice plump sort of a feel to the makeup as well. So basically you can also wear this alone, you can wear this as you want it, like just like that. Or if you want to get that dewy sort of a look, you should definitely wear this underneath your makeup. And Smashbox does amazing with their primers. I have always been love and in fan of their photo finish primers. It's a water based, or either it's a gel based, the silicone based one, and it is so good, and I always use it before makeup, and I've been consistently and religiously using it before my makeup. And this is such a good product to wear it. Specifically, it gives you a glow from within sort of a look, which I absolutely love. So the days when I'm not even feeling to wear makeup, I think this alone itself just gives you that instant boost to the skin. So yeah, it also helps your makeup to blend in and goes on smoothly. As you guys will see in the tutorial, you guys will be able to figure it out and see how well it blends into the skin as well, and gives you that radiant dewy look. Water gel like finish, so it has a formula of a water gel like finish. It's not really liquidy, it does not irritate your skin. I have really sensitive skin, you guys know, but still, this does wonders for my skin, and I absolutely love it. I've been using it for past few days now to try it and see how well it works, but this is such a good product. So yeah, so I'll have all the links in the description box, so let's go on with the tutorial. First thing which I'm going to start off is with the Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer, and this I have used it earlier. I have tried and tested it, so it is a really good hydrating primer. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this, and so you can use a brush if you want, or you can just directly swirl it and just apply it on the face. I'm just going to use it with my fingers because the warmth of the finger is going to melt the primer, and it's going to give you that radiance glow from within. It smells so fresh. So it melts, basically what it does is that it melts into your skin so beautifully. It is such a good texture. The texture is really lightweight. It smells so fresh and juicy. Like, it really smells really juicy. Foundation, I'm using this Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation, and this is in the shade 4.25. So just for a little bit more hydration, I'm going to use the Vitamin Glow Primer again, and I'm just going to mix it up with my foundation and just apply it to my skin. Wow, the consistency is so soothing. Oh god. With this foundation, this is because since this is your skin, it is just going to blend in. So you see how glowing and radiant my skin is? See how bouncy and radiant glowing it looks? And a trick I've learned from a lot of makeup artists is that you need to press it in, you need to press it in so that the foundation blends into your skin so good, and not just sits on top of the layer of the skin. So you need to pat it and just let that sink into the skin. And these are few of the tricks which I have learned from a lot of makeup artists, which I'm really watching nowadays. For my blush, since I don't have the Smashbox blush, what I'm going to do is I am going to use the Gula-Bae. Apply it right on my cheeks. You need to work a little more faster with this because this dries up, and you see the color is so beautiful. It's giving such a flushed look to the skin. For brown skin tones, my god, I love it. Just settle look to the skin. I am so in love with the shade, and smells so good. So good. So since we are going for that natural glam, we are going for that natural look, the more dewy the better. So this is going to be your perfect friend for, you know, this trick I've actually learned from Zainab. Who's the makeup artist in Smashbox India and educational trainer, and I have loved, like, you know, she applied when we did a live with Smashbox India. I did a live with Zainab, and she taught me this trick, like, you know, to apply the Gula-Bae on the cheeks, and it was looking so good. So yeah, we're gonna move on with our Smashbox cover shot Ablaze palette, and this has the most neutral tones for all skin tones. So this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to do is, firstly, I'm just going to take this shade. This is a golden shade. Apply this shade on my cheeks, or I'm just going to take this and like go around fluffy brush, tap off any excess, and I'm just going to since you already have the primer, and like, you know, you can also use this as a highlighter as well. So if you want that dewy sort of a look, you can just take a little bit on the back of your hands, just use any brush like this, tap off any excess, and just, you know, to give you that, you know, wet sort of a look. This is gonna help blend. Okay, so for my transition shade, I'm gonna start off is with this orange shade right here. And we're gonna extend the color outwards. We're not just keeping it right here, we're gonna extend it just a little further where our tail is. Angled brushes are generally really easier for you to blend it, like, you know, if you use the color outwards. We're mixing Nirvana with Dark Horse a little bit, tapping up any excess. Just Fiesta, tap off any excess. That I'm gonna just take this color right here. This is a nice deep color, and I'm just gonna apply it on my lash line. So I'm gonna use the super Fan Mascara, and this is my all-time favorite. I love the wand. Like that, but I'm gonna go and pop on some lashes. I'm gonna be right back. So for my lipstick, I'm gonna be using the Smashbox shade in the shade Gula-Bae, and so a lot of you guys ask me, like, you know, because this is a lighter pink shade, like this is really light. So how do you know, kind of manage to make it look good? So the only reason is to apply a little amount of this, but what you need to just take in mind is that you need to apply a little bit of a darker liner so that it blends in with the whole lipstick.